हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आप भी इस फील्ड में वर्किंग हैं और आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस है और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन वॉच द एंटायर वीडियो बिकॉज इस वीडियो में आपको मिलेंगे पैन इंडिया जॉब्स। तो अगर आप किसी सिटी में रीलोकेट होना चाहते हैं तो भी आप इन जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और जो भी जॉब्स मैं आपको डिस्कस करूंगा अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे, उन सभी जॉब्स के लिंक, एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे मिल जाएंगे। तो डू चेक आउट द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाए उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड अ जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। So in future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science domain, data analytics domain, Power BI developer or business analytics domain, then watch the entire video, subscribe my channel and forward this video to your needy friends. अब बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, what are the name of the companies and salary these companies are offering. उससे पहले just a small request, if you're new to this video, watching this video first time, do subscribe it, share it with your needy friends because I keep on posting videos related to data science jobs, data analytics jobs and business analytics jobs. So do subscribe it and share it with your needy friends. अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं और कैसे आप इन जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
फ्रेंड्स आ गए हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो दैट टुडेज वीडियो इज अबाउट पावर बीआई डेवलपर और कंसल्टेंट रोल। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं देन डू चेक आउट द इंटायर वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज विच इज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आप पाते हैं लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, एंड माय वेबसाइट www.callcentertalks.com, जहां पे आप विजिट कर सकते हैं एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन सबमिट योर लेटेस्ट रिज्यूमे। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब पीस की तरफ, उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट टू फॉलो बोथ चैनल्स। First company in the list is PenApps. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer, Power Apps developer, experience 3+ years, location is remote, salary 7 to 10 lakhs per annum, and education is BCA, MCA in computer science. So if you are the one who is looking for any remote job opportunity, then do check out this specific job, and you can get the link in the description box for this job. About the role, work directly with clients to support various projects and solutions, responsible for developing Power Apps model and Canvas-driven apps, installation of configuration of data gateways, provide architecture, configuration, administration, and functional support to expand capabilities in Microsoft 365. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this specific role. Some technical skills: exceptional verbal and written communication, strong project management skills, and strong attention to details. Then ability to create business process and customer custom connectors with Microsoft Flow, a clear understanding of Power Apps formulas and development methods. Some technologies like Power Apps, Power BI, SharePoint, Microsoft Dynamics, Microsoft Teams, and Azure PowerShell. So these are some technical experience you should have. If it is, then good to go. Else you must have this Power BI developer experience. How to apply? Interested candidates can share their resume at recruit@panapps.co. And if you want to get the direct link, you can check the description box. Second company in the list is OneShield. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer, experience 3+ years. Location is in Gurgaon or in Panzim. Salary 7 to 11 lakhs per annum. Education full-time bachelor's, master's degree from a recognized university. Roles and responsibilities: process, cleans, and verify the integrity of data used for analysis, analyze data models, relationship, and dependencies of great optimization, design and develop a strong procedure, queries, and views necessary to support SSRS, develop visual reports, KPI scorecards, and dashboards using Power BI Desktop, write SQL index queries to develop data sources for Power BI dashboards and unit test reports. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this specific job. Some technical skills you must have: proficiency in making DEX queries in Power BI Desktop, expertise in using advanced level calculation on datasets, good knowledge in developing, publishing, and scheduling Power BI reports as per their business requirement, knowledge of SQL queries, SQL Server reporting services, and SQL Server's integration services on Azure Data Factory. And apart from this, analytical thinking and translating data into informative reports and visuals. And if you are interested in the job post, you can get the job application links in the description box, which is available over here as well. You can also either type it in URL or you can directly get it from the description box for this company, OneShield. The third company in the list is AIRO Digital Labs. This company is also hiring for the remote location. So if you're looking for any remote opportunity, then this is also, you can also apply for this job for AIRO Digital Labs. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI engineer, experience 4 years. Education is bachelor's degree in computer science, software development engineering, or related technical field. Salary, they have not disclosed it, but it is competitive. Roles and responsibilities. Power BI developers typically must have complete knowledge of the BI system. Main duties to transform raw data into meaningful insights. Prepare and generate interactive and user-friendly dashboards and reports. Some technical skills, hands-on experience with data visualization tool, primarily with Power BI. Experience in SQL, Power BI setup dashboards, hands modeling experience for business intelligence reporting. Experience in Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Experience in connecting to various data sources and creating data models. Experience in creating dashboards using Power BI visualization, and creating and can think out of the box. So these are some necessary skills for this company, AIRO Digital Labs, for the position of Power BI engineer. And you can apply for the job post by clicking on the link. This is the link which is available in the description box as well. The fourth company in the list is XYENTA. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer. Again, the location is remote. So if you are looking for any remote job opportunity, then these, you can watch the entire video. 3 companies in a row are for remote locality. Experience 2+ years, education bachelor's degree, which is required. Some roles and responsibilities: collaboration with our clients to deliver digital solution and manage services based on deep industry and domain expertise. You'll work closely with the technical teams, building high quality interactive dashboards and models, along with hands-on administration of the client platform. Should keep work at hand organized and structured, able to create templates, establish own standards based on client inputs. So these are some primarily roles and responsibilities. Some required skills: expert in authoring interactive Power BI reports and models with extensive knowledge of DAX queries, experience with front end and back end aspects of Power BI, excellent knowledge in writing queries, stored procedures, function in TSQL, strong knowledge on experience of SSS tubular models, experience in SSRS and SSIS, understanding of Power BI infrastructure components like on-premise data gateway and Power BI report server, and good understanding of end-to-end architecture of a typical analytics projects, including DWH, ETL, and data migration. So these are some competitive, these are some roles and responsibilities and required skills for this company. And to apply for the job post, you can simply visit the description box where you'll get this link to apply. The fifth company in the list is AbsoluteData, which is a well-known AI company. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer, experience 3 to 5 years. Location is Bangalore, and other location is Gurgaon as well. Education BTech, MSc Computer Science, MCA, MTech, and salaries 10 to 13 lakhs per annum, which is estimated. Some roles and responsibilities: provide service directly to external link clients as well, internal links and clients in integrated projects, understanding objectives, requirements on various business intelligence applications, development and implementation team mentoring and training on BI DWH data load, ability to lead projects on business intelligence using Power BI as an individual contributor as well as a team leader with some client interface, and manage end-to-end projects from recruitment requirements gathering on final delivery. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this company. Some technical skills this company is looking for: strong skills in Power BI, which is basic, deep understanding of BI concepts, 3 to 5 years of experience in business intelligence and data warehouse and delivering end-to-end BI DWH applications, understanding of an RDBMS like Oracle or SQL Server with OLTP and OLAP data models. And again, to apply for the job post, again simply visit the description box where you'll get this link to apply. So friends, these are 5 jobs for this week, and if you see, 3 jobs are remote and 2 are work from office. So if you're interested in remote job opportunity, then do check out the entire video. Click, you can pause the video, can read this, can go through with the roles and responsibilities of all companies. And if you are interested in the job post, you can simply visit the description box where you can get all the job links. And in case if you are watching this video first time, do subscribe this channel, because I keep on posting these videos related to Power BI developer, business analytics, or data analytics, and so that you can get the right job opportunity for you. And in case any of your friend is looking for a job change, then do share this video to those needy friends as well. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.